9390 The Planet on my glow box. I got it working again. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit, move around towards the back. I had to replace the input filter capacitors, but I'm going to try to show you this switch down here. My phone's interfering with the radio. See that switch right there? You can see how nice and pretty and clean it is now. I had to take it apart. I took the switch apart and cleaned it all up after the lightning arced it out, and I replaced a couple of input AC filter capacitors. You can see this one right here, one of these, this one blew out, so I replaced both of them. They go across the AC input line. But anyway, I got my glow box going again, my Hammarlund HQ-100. I brought a switch in that wasn't quite right, and so moved the light around to the front so you can see the radio. Wasn't quite right, and I can't use it. I can't change the logic in it or do anything. But BCQ got a nice signal out of it, considering I'm just using a little 12 feet of wire right here. Is, yeah, maybe 15 feet of wire is all I'm using for an antenna. So I'm very pleased that for less than $20 I was able to get this radio going again. That includes what it cost me to bring in that part I couldn't use, but it's still right on frequency. The tuning is tight. Tuning is very tight on it, as you can see from that little adjustment right there that I just did. So I think I dodged a bullet. What I'm going to do is look closely at a way to, although this radio is no longer factory original because I replaced those capacitors, it's factory stock. Figure out a way to fuse the input line, because this radio is not fused and I don't want to go through this again. Anyway, thought I'd post this for those that are interested in old radios. This has been fun. Oh, by the way, it took me over a week here and there to take that switch, which is this one right here, pull that switch out, take it apart, and clean it up and reshape it and get it to work. And anyway, thanks for watching. Be safe.